Hi, it's Chris on a fine Sunday morning. Boy, that was a rough night on about Poppy. The wind's howling. It's absolutely pelting down the rain. Far cry from Sunday afternoon up the canal. But it's lovely and warm on there about Poppy. You get all these lovely boats here. Just coming out for some fresh air. I've done the fire on there about Poppy. We're a bit hot. By God, it's a bit rough. I don't mind the wind, I don't, as long as I aren't out on the boat. I say I'm just having a little stroll. I say the wind's howling and it's belting it down the rain. I say it's hard to believe 3 weeks ago we're in sunny Turkey. Just look at that for your sky up there. I say I'm just going to get some fresh air. We keep the fire going on there about Poppy all the time now, so it's always nice and warm. Like I say, we don't like being cold on narrowboats. In fact, it's a lot more comfortable in the winter than it is in summer, to be honest with you. They're just like sweat boxes in the summer. You could do some air conditioning on them. What a morning it is. I'm just going to buck up a bit today because we've got to go back, James, and I've got to take the dogs for a walk. I'll just have a walk up and show you the back of the boat. By God, it's windy. It keeps raining, and when it does rain it absolutely pelts it down. Well, just look at that, eh? Waves. I don't know if you can see them. It's like being at Towing. But I say the trees are blowing. Well, I love going for a walk when it's like this. Just aren't much for the rain. I've been out for about half an hour. So we'll just go in there with Poppy. There we are. We're in now. Just look at that fire going. I'll just shut the door. Jane's still tucked up in bed. It's actually the clocks have gone back an hour, so it's confused me to totally be honest with you. But like I say, it's the start of winter. Wow, that was a bit blowy. That was. I've been out for about half an hour. Like I say, I love walking in the wind. Just aren't much for the rain, and it's absolutely keeps pelting it down. So I'll just make another brew for Jane. Jane's had a shower. We both had showers, and Jane's gone back to bed. So we're all ready for the day. So I'll just go put the kettle on again. So all hope you have a great day, and this weather doesn't last forever. So keep being safe and look after yourself. See you soon. Bye.